Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in DHgate account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here DHgate application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the option for sign in or join free. Simply tap on that option. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to sign into your account, or you can also create the account for yourself. You'll be able to find the login methods over here. You can either continue with email, Facebook or Google. So simply tap on the sign in method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to use my email, so tap on the field of email. Now what you have to do is simply enter your email over here. After doing that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. Tap on the field of password. Now simply enter your password over here. If you have any trouble signing in, you can tap on this option, trouble signing in, and you'll be able to solve your problem. Now after entering the credentials, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in DHgate account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.